Hi guys, welcome to my tutorial about Drupal CMS. I will give you an overview about the new starter kit for Drupal projects. I have a newly installed Drupal CMS instance. I can open it via my Drupal CMS installer in the web browser. You can easily check how to install Drupal CMS via drupal.org. There are instructions, so you can easily read the documentation and install Drupal CMS via DDEV. You will find the instructions. So let's say we have downloaded all the code via Composer and we are running now Drupal CMS in our web browser. I'm selecting all the features with which Drupal CMS is offering me. I'm adding here some bogus username and password. Drupal CMS will be quickly installed. Do not wonder if you see German text on my display. I'm located in Germany and my primary language is German. This is one of my first YouTube videos and I'm a little bit excited. So yeah, we are logging in here. And now you see we have demo content. Yeah, we have the content type blog, case studies, events, news, person profiles and projects. So we open some of this content. So you see a people profile, a little bit of image and text. We have an events page where you can add your own event. So there is something. You can check this content types here. This basic page content type is from Drupal core, the other ones are from Drupal CMS. We have this dashboard, this is also coming from Drupal CMS. We have installed the Gin theme here. So it's not the default Drupal core theme. Go into appearance, you can check the installed themes and you see Gin. So that's the new standard theme. Yeah, we have a lot of new permissions since the modules have been installed, like ECA, the Coffee. Coffee is a quick launcher for Drupal. You can type in here media and you will come to the media library and you can do things with your media. Config. When you navigate into media, you see your new images which are coming from Drupal CMS, all in the WebP format. So that's most performant image format for your website. It's already there. So the media presets are also configured. When you go to the responsive image styles, then you have a lot of responsive image styles. You have let me check. I have image styles with the focal point Drupal module, which is very handy, which is setting the focal point on your images. We can check this module here on the drupal.org project page. So you see you have this plus icon and you can navigate it to the focal point, so all your images will be scaled from the focal point, so you're not losing the most important thing on your images and everything is scaled around your focal point. you can navigate new Drupal modules by the project browser here. So you can browse projects and install any module here. You click on install, and let's say you would like to install Metatag, and it's immediately there, downloaded and installed, and you can configure here everything. So you have a ton of Metatag settings and you can edit them. So it's very easy for new users or people which would like to play around with Drupal modules. Trash module is also installed, also something not default in Drupal. So let's say we would like to delete some content, then it's deleted, it's in trash, and it can be restored, and then it's back, or it can be purged. So we purge some content here. Let's say we don't like Karim, and we delete Karim, and we also purge the content for the person profile, and it's permanently deleted by this purge functionality. Then we have ECA Workflows. So we have some fancy diagrams for our functionality. Let's check duplicate content so we can see what's going on here. We can alter the local task, prepare entity form, operation, links, and this is the diagram which leads to the duplicate functionality. It's this functionality, you can duplicate content, and you can also quite easily create your own ECA model. Let's say you would like to greet the user, then we add here a task. We must select a template, we search for form, submit form, we limit this to any node form submit, and after a user has submitted the form, we will display a message. So display a message to the user, and hi, there is our message. Connect this via the arrow, we save this, and you see by this burger menu you can export this configuration as a recipe, and the recipe is a configuration which allows you to copy the configuration into a different Drupal site. So we will go into our node form, then we will hit save, and we see our new functionality here. Hi there! So quick, without any custom PHP code. Okay, I'm a kind of experienced PHP developer. I could do something like this by myself, but it was quite easy with ECA, and I can put it into my version control system since I can export it via recipe. Okay, we are in the AI times. AI will replace all our jobs, so why not install the Drupal AI module to check if our job can be really replaced. So easy. I doubt this a little bit, but let's check what the AI module has offered us so far. So we must navigate into the web folder. Then we must check what it is inside the recipes folder, and there we have the Drupal CMS AI recipe. This is the recipe we want. There is a bunch of other recipes too, which we could try, like the SEO recipes. That might be also worth a try, but we would like to install the AI recipe. So let's execute ddef drush recipe and recipe Drupal CMS AI. I doubt that this will work because ddef restricts a little bit the parameters, but now it looks like it will work. So I need to enter my OpenAI key. I will do this on a separate screen because this is something private. I must pay for the OpenAI account. So if you would like to generate an OpenAI private key, Google for it. There are many instructions how to do it. This is pretty easy to do. So yeah, I'm entering this here and the recipe is installed on my system. You see AI assistant applied successfully. Very easy by the recipe installation. So now we reload the web page of our Drupal CMS instance and we have this fancy chatbot here. Load service, chatbot, deep chat, uses session cookie and sends data to external service. Yes, this time. Okay, so let's check what we can do. I'm a fisherman, so I type in create a new node content type called fishing trip and add fields for date, media and description. Now it will ask me if AI should really generate this new content type. Yes. Hopefully it will work. It does not work every time. I have seen once that it worked, then it did not. So this is really interesting now. It takes some time. It works. New content type with the screen, new fields. Oh, it looks like AI cannot replace our job so easy. So maybe it can help in generating news items. So please create content of type news item about fishing trips in Germany. Create 5 node content items or 4 content items. Let's see if this works. Okay, it's not able to do this, but it gives me some instructions. Yeah, I can do another thing with AI. I can add the AI functionality into my CKEditor. So I must enable the module manually. AI CKEditor Integration. So it's installed. Now we go into content authoring, text formats. We see this ugly button here. It's from the AI CKEditor. We drag it in. Now we get this AI tool settings and we enable fixed spelling and generate with AI. Save. Okay, and now I try to generate some content about fishing. So, there's this new content type, but it gives me a lot of errors and looks like it has not worked completely. Thanks AI. Now go to blog post and my fishing trip. Some description. I select AI assistant, generate with AI, fishing trip in Germany, generate, and it generates me some content about a fishing trip in Germany. Save changes to editor. Cool. And this fixed spelling working too. Fishing trip in Germany. Let's take a look if this works. Fishing trip in Germany. It's able to fix spelling. Cool. Something which works with AI. So the CKEditor integration kind of works. Cool. We do have easy email. The mail system is extended by Drupal CMS. This is also something interesting. This page isn't working. Okay, so you see easy email is configured in our mail system. And we have the ability to edit the standard email templates via Drupal CMS with the easy email Drupal module. It's this module here, easy email, quite nice, maintained documentation, and you have a YouTube video which is describing this. So we can edit the template easily. I have here the text editor. I add here some text. My custom text. I set this text bold. I can also add images here. Can edit the plain text. My plain text change. I'm also able to add attachments. Can delete the emails automatically. That's safe. Okay, then let's try if this works. We have an email client for testing purposes installed via DDEV. It's this here, MailPit. And so I add a new user and I expect that I get my changed emails on email account activation. So I create this new account. Save it. So I will firstly block and activate it again. Then my email should be sent. You see I have 2 emails. And you see I have this email template which is a little bit weird, but I can see my custom text here. Also in the plain text. My plain text change. Yeah. So we have overview about Drupal CMS. We have learned how Drupal CMS can be installed. We've seen that new content types are included in Drupal CMS. We see a dashboard, permissions pages extended. We can easily install Drupal modules via the project browser. We have the ECA Workflows module installed and set up, so we can set workflows via a diagram, a BPMN diagram. We can connect this diagram to actions and events which are configured in Drupal. We have the trash module for deleting, restoring and purging content. We can install the Drupal CMS AI recipe easily via command line. There's this coffee module for quickly navigating in our setup. And we have extended email functionality via the easy email module, which is also not only just installed, but already configured in Drupal CMS. So have fun with Drupal CMS. This is one of my first YouTube videos, so please like it, give me comments so I can be a little bit more relevant on YouTube. I hope you have liked it. I would really appreciate your feedback about my video, and yeah, hopefully we see us next time. Bye!